Hello everyone.
Recording in progress.
Oh yeah, now we can start. Like that. Okay, usually I don't use mic, but now I'm like a big dog with mic. Okay. Today we will talk about the one-person framework and also about Pasabaya app that I made alone. Unfortunately, now yet, but I hope it will be more for people. Okay, who am I? I'm Ruby on Rails developer, 2 weeks. Yes. Actually, I discovered Ruby 1 year ago, and I'm Ruby on Rails developer 2 weeks. Yeah, commercial experience. But I'm 5 years CS educator, and from teaching theory to shipping code. Yeah, like I taught 5 years, but when I met Ruby, I decided, oh yeah, I need to switch to do code because I really like it. Okay.
By the way, he's also a half marathon finisher, right there.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's my wife Natalie, yes, and it's me. It's Manila Marathon, and I also prepare for hiking. Okay, we're not talking about sport now, but I like food there. Thank you so much. Okay, please, we will talk about the one-person framework. Why it's important for me, you will know just in a few minutes. But before I start, I wanna tell you that the one-person framework, this is vanilla Rails way. Keep it simple from day one and keep going. Hotwire Turbo instead of complex, JS libraries, building, etc. Default MVC pattern, active record, etc. But I also understand that some technologies, some patterns are there just because it should be there. Yes, right now I'm working with white Ruby, view components, active interaction, rolified device, etc. And I understand why it's here. I understand that it can be, but I want to be focused now on the one-person framework because it can be something that inspires. It's really inspired. And before I continue, like you know that DHH, he always talk about the one-person framework, but how many people exactly should be on the product? What do you think? I watched his interview 1 year ago, he made it. What do you think? How many people should be on the product?
Depends on the business need.
Yeah, he told 1, 2, or maximum 3. And just when I talk about the one-person framework, think about that maximum, it's 3 person do it. Like, we're not talking about 1,000 employees, hundreds of employees. We talk about just a few people. Yeah, okay, let's go. Build for simplicity. Yes, I made Pasabaya app, keeping code base simple so anyone can easily jump in, understand, and start contributing. To get started, it's literally 3 commands. Just git clone, cd Pasabaya, and pin setup. Voila, you can use it. Because of the one-person framework, I use the Rails way that built-in. You will know it, why it's so simple like that. It's a database here, this is cache here, and also queue there, everything here. But you no need to install it. It's already there. Okay, first, question your tool. Pragmatism first. This isn't about glorifying ignorancy. Of course, understanding the tool we use and why they exist is absolutely vital. And of course, we need to do it. But the problem that the guys told you that you shouldn't do something until you will know this, and this. You're overcomplicated. You don't want to start because you don't know how. I need years just to do hello world. No. Okay, challenge defaults. Always challenge whether you actually need a complex abstraction today or if you're just over-engineering too early. And logical abstraction, every architecture has its place and purpose. Start simple, scale abstraction as complexity naturally demands it. It's okay not to use the one-person framework when it's neat because, like, sometimes it's really neat. And again, what I told you here, I understand why we have these, and etc. It's also nice, we can use it, and I think that we can do it both. Okay, and another thing, being new at an ecosystem is a temporary superpower. I told you, 2 weeks in commercial, and 1 year I know Ruby. While you can still look at things with fresh eyes, you see the real friction that others have learned to ignore, and like, I'm fresh here, yes, I'm a freshman, and I can see something new for me. Like, you already know Ruby years, maybe even more, and you already have some biases about it, like, oh, it's a trashy little, but I don't have these biases. I'm trying, and I'm surprised, like, whoa, it's amazing, because I don't have problem. Like, when I told people about Camel, I always talk about Camel. They told me, oh, I tried Camel 1. It was really bad. I didn't try Camel 1. It's already Camel 2 exists. And bugs fix it. And for me, it's wow, amazing. Because I never touched this buggy version that was. Yeah, I here have this superpower right now. Temporary. Okay, we're talking about the one-person framework, but not just in Waku. I made a Pasabaya app. This is a logo. My wife made it, Natalie. Thank you so much, Natalie. This is a QR code that you can scan and you can open it in your smartphone. In the future, I will also use Hotwire Native to make mobile app. But right now, we're talking about the website. And I want to show you how it looks, okay? It's already there. This is carpooling for the community, not for profit. And I don't want to spend a lot of times to show you how to use it, why I made it, because it's over there. You can just open the Pasabaya and you can watch this video in just 15 minutes, something like that. Yeah, 14 minutes. And everything is here. I just want to show you what I made and what we have here. Okay, first, this is carpooling for the community, not for profit. It means that I made it open source and everybody can contribute. This is a GitHub page, and I try to make really understandable instruction how to run project locally, and as you can see, just clone the repository, run the setup script. That's it. Thank you so much. Yeah, I mean this is the one-person framework, but again, I'm just going too fast. I need to one step back. Okay, I'm here. What is it? Okay, we have this search. Let's click on it. And right now we have some card there. It's already user that exists here. Thank you them. They're really trying to do post here, and like we have offering, and also there are some requesting. It's me. Yeah, and actually it just right board. Like if I need to go to somewhere, I don't know, like from Taguig, you know, it's impossible to go from Taguig to Baguio, but I made it, okay? Here requesting search, and I have my card here. If you click show, yes, you can just open this card, you can read, and you can go to Facebook. Yes, I made it Facebook link button here because I think it's really important to make my user safety. At least we know who are our user. It's why I don't want to implement any chats there, because I hope it can prevent scammers. Okay, but that's it. I will not show you how to use it exactly, just I want to show you that this is CRUD application. You can create, read, edit, and delete, and everything is here, and it works. Let's go back to our presentation. First of all, why I'm here? Yes, why Ruby? Just as I already mentioned, I work as CS educator 5 years, and I discovered Ruby 1 year, and this has changed my mind. It's something new that we can think about how to do code. And the most important thing, it's not because, oh, it's beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful, I like it. It's like OOP language, yes, full OOP. Yeah, of course, it's good. But the most important thing for me, that almost all contributors in Ruby and an ecosystem think about important thing. It's a mantra that simple should be simple, complex should be possible. Yeah, like, and this is, you can find almost every Ruby ecosystem things, like Sinatra, Rhoda, Bridgetown, Hanami, etc. There are a lot of, and all of them try to do simple. Simple should be simple, complex should be possible. But why I'm talking about Rails? Yeah, I don't like that people talk about Rails when they talk about Ruby. You know, it feels like, oh, we don't have something else in Ruby? Ruby, programming language itself. Why we make Ruby equal Rails? But actually Rails is a big player, yes? Managing complexity, shipping fast, pragmatic approach, and maybe in the future, I will try Hanami. I don't know, but I never touch it now. Okay, let's go to what is the one-person framework. It's not something that I made. No, DHH blogs post about it. You can scan, you can read, but here 5 pillars. The core mission, to provide a single developer, again, just 3 developers, yeah? With a toolkit powerful enough to build, launch, and grow a high competitive modern web application without needing a massive team of specialists. Okay, next, conceptual compressions. Abstracting complex multi-layered technique problem into simple, manageable tools, allowing a solo creator to get massive result without needing to master every micro specialization. But sometimes it's need, yeah, and you will go deeper when it's need. But to start, no need to really do big, deep, just to do hello world, you know, no. Like, for what? Okay, bypassing JS complexity, eliminating the heavy factory JavaScript ecosystem, Node, Webpack, complex, blah, 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 blah. Like Hotwire, Stimulus, and Turbo, it's something that really super powerful for small team. Okay, out-of-the-box power, shipping native heavy-duty features directly within the framework, such as built-in data encryption, authentication, yes, sessions, etc. Yeah, again, we have a users there, and I didn't touch actually how session works or how to do login or reset password because it's just Rails generator. It's just there. I just type Rails authentication generate, Rails G authentication, boom, it's there. It's really good. And my password encrypted. And how it's encrypted? Oh, it's really good because it even didn't save. Okay, I'm go deeper now. It's no need. Okay, next, the wormhole effect. Acting as a shortcut that collapses the time between learning a tool and shipping a real product. Yes, it's so exciting because giving independent underdogs a fight change against heavy founded engineering teams. Again, like to do something simple, it's no need to be a real pro engineer. Yeah, it's not rocket science, but you can't be real engineer. You can't be the superhero. But to start, no need. Just it will be in future when it's needed. Okay, this is about the one-person framework. This guy, he made a company here, Jack, and you can also watch this video if you want on the YouTube. It's how just a team with 4 people, something like that, they make really big website and they operate. Okay, just you can watch it on YouTube. Okay, what is the one-person framework? We understand now. This is philosophy, but philosophy without practice is nothing, yes? Let's think about Rails 8.1. We have SQLite production ready. We have a Camel, Hotwire, and storage trifecta. And today, I will show you everything from here in my project. First is SQLite. This is something that was wrong name it. What I mean, SQLite feel like, oh, light, toy? What is it? No, light, it means that it's lighter. It doesn't mean that it's toy tools. No, because SQLite right now can be really powerful if you set up it correctly in Rails. It's already configured, and of course it has a limitation, and Postgres, MySQL, etc. will be much faster, but first just maybe you will switch when you really need it, because SQLite can handle hundreds, right? Hundreds reads, thousands, I mean that per second, and it's okay, still normal milliseconds. Just if your app already 1 million writes per second and hundreds millions reads, wow, you're lucky. Yeah, you need something else. Next, solid trifecta. Actually, in Rails, yes, we have right now in 8.1 solid trifecta. This is solid cache, solid cable, and solid queue. Okay, cache, queue, and cable. What is it? You can just use your database and SQLite. In our case, it's already set up, pre-configured for cache, for queue, and for cable. Cable, it's like for WebSocket, for instance, yeah. And just if you need to cache something, you can use your SQLite, because right now our SSD is really fast. Of course, it's not faster than RAM, but just wait, maybe no need to use Redis or Memcache or something like that until it's really needed. When your users already have a problem, maybe when your users wait seconds to open something, it's a time to change your stack. But right now, if you have just hundreds, thousands users, not millions, maybe no need to overcomplicate it. Okay, cache, you can just do cache. If you have something that you need to cache, you can do it. Queue, it works automatically. And cable also, because of SQLite, it's already there and it's already pre-configured. Next, Camel, it's something that you can use for deploy. And I will show you how it works. It's so amazing, it's crazy easy, and it's really fast. Because everything that you need is just your computer. Yeah. And Hotwire, HTML over the wire. Hey, what happened?
Do you want us to save the questions to the end or throughout?
I'm sorry?
Do you want us to save the questions to the end or ask throughout?
Yeah, you can do it.
So ask throughout?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So are these your...
So the presentation you're doing today, are these Rails default or are they the ones you chose? Like for example, trifecta.
Yeah, it's really good. Good. Just when you make Rails new, my super powerful app, it's already there. SQLite, solid cache, solid cable, solid queue, and just when you are using Rails helpers to do cache or to send, for instance, email, like send later. Yes, it already works there. It will not send directly email because I have emails here. And for me, as for developer, it was just .later. And queue works under the hood.
And then, so everything you're talking about is the defaults. It's built in. It's the batteries included. That's what the presentation's about.
Sorry?
Oh, so everything in this presentation is already built in Rails, like it's already included by default.
Yeah, just it's already Rails 8.1. When you create a new app, SQLite and solid cache, cable, and queue already there, already pre-configured. No need to do something to use it. It's already there.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, it's really good. And the most coolest feature here, when we will do deploy, Kamal already also pre-configured to use it. It's really good. Okay, and Hotwire, I know some people say that Hotwire is outdated. Some people want to say that we need to use something else because we need to use really heavy JS library like React, Vue, etc., Angular. But Hotwire is something that can give a small team with like 3 person to do SPA-like feeling for your application without writing a lot of JavaScript code, and I will show you it, okay? Next, when Rails lets you teach the extra infrastructure, yes, like managing Redis, side key, Memcache servers, just using Rails solid trifecta with just your database, and it's already pre-configured. And again, SQLite, this is a database that just file. And it means that no need to use any dedicated server for your SQL database. It's no need to set up Docker container, something like that. No, it's just here. It's a file. And again, one important thing. Sometimes, even if you are making, if you have, you try to test SQLite in Postgres, for instance, and you can figure out that, oh, for this specific test, SQLite, it's much worse than Postgres. But think about also delay. Yes, we have network latency. Like it's need to send. Maybe it's really fast to calculate, but SQLite doesn't have time to deliver it to your app because it's already there. It's a file. Just need to read. Just need to write a file. There are no time to send data back and forth. Okay. And also another thing about SQLite. Oh my gosh, there are light stream that you can replicate your SQLite to other servers worldwide, everywhere, to your users. It's crazy. It just will replicate every 10 seconds your database, and your users worldwide will have updated data. And oh, it's crazy, but I don't want to go deep, okay? Again, what I told you guys, again, here on YouTube, there in Zoom, where are you guys? I just opened the door, yes, like, oh, we can do replicate in SQLite, we can do something, blah, blah. It's something that you can do if you want. But to start using it, just do Rails new. That's it. Let's go. How request flowing through your stack. It's how my app works right now. This is mook.kim.com. I don't know who are they actually, but this guide, almost like my stack. But I use, instead of header, I use VPS, PDS. Any you can use. In my case, it's Oracle because they gave me really crazy free tier. Yeah. And instead of using header backups, I use Camel backup. Yeah, but other stuff works same. And also SSL, I use Let's Script that in Camel proxy. Again, when you are doing Camel deploy, it's a CLI command to deploy. Camel will go to your server via SSH, install Docker, if there are no Docker, install Let's Script, create SSL certificate automatically, and it automatically will update your SSL certificate, etc. It's already there. But let's go. Here, I have SQLite, and also I have actor storage because I have an avatars now, but in the future I want to extend the ability to describe and do some nodes, like add photo, etc. And light stream. This is how you can replicate and also some backup for your SQLite database. Okay, and this is everything here in Rails 8. Solid queue, solid cache, solid cable. It automatically works with your app, client, browser, or API request, Cloudflare, here Camel proxy, there. But don't think about it. It just works. I mean that if you want to create a website, close this video and just do it. You will know it later when you need to deploy. You will learn how to configure your YAML file. Don't think about Camel proxy, cluster, Puma, Rails 8 until it's no need to think about it. Until they're no really needed. Okay, let's go. Next. I made this, it's an action, okay, theory it's enough, I want to show you action. This is my card here. I will go back and I can edit profile, and there, it's me and my wife here. We're moving from vertical layer. Yeah. And you can choose avatar, and also you can change your email address here. You can change password. You can delete account if it's needed for you. And I just want to show you one thing. I made this just maybe 1 week ago, and I sent to my friend. He works with React and Java. Okay, he's a big boy, you know, like when I told him that, oh, you know, I want to use Ruby because I found it really good. He told me, Ruby? Like, okay, and let's think. I sent him, okay, we are talking in Russian, but I just translated. The next plan is to make it so that if a form is filled out incorrectly, the entire page doesn't reload, but only the form card itself refreshes. Just like a modern website, to make it pretty. Okay, because right now, look on it. When I type here, current password, new password, and again, update password, it's ugly. It's reload my page, and I'm on the top, and I need to go back, and it's here. Yeah. First, thank you, Rails, that it works automatically almost. I just handle the errors, errors.any, yeah, you know, like, and also flashcard, etc. But it's ugly, and I just want to make it more modern. And I sent him. What he answered? It seems like it might be difficult. Yeah. Just wait a few minutes. I will show you something. Okay, he told me it seems it might be difficult. Okay. I sent this smile. This smile. It should be difficult. Okay, let's see how you can do it, because something that I will show you is already built in Rails 8, even no need to install some dependency, something like that, it's already there. Okay, I will put my mic here, and I hope that everybody can hear me well. First of all, I just want to prove that it's really work, how I told you that it's easy to start doing something and contribute to Pasabaya. Okay, I just want to use this HTTP link right now because I don't want to use SSH tool, but you can use any way to clone the repository. Just go down. Here, pre-request. You need macOS, Linux, or Windows with WSL. Just don't use anything else in your Windows. If you have Windows, please use WSL. Okay, you need Ruby 4, you need Rails 8, and you need to Git. If you don't have it, I hope everybody have it here. I don't believe that you don't have it. I don't believe. You have it installed on your computer. Maybe another Rails version, maybe Ruby, but you have it. But if you don't have, just follow Ruby on Rails installation guide. I already have, and I use mice. I really like mice. Again, I am newcomers. Yeah, I'm a freshman. I know that there are another version tool that you can use to manage your version, but mice works really fast, and it's automatically understand what version of Ruby need to use. It's automatically changed. It's like, oh, I really like it. It's like, again, you need to know it when you have a problem. But to start, I just use mice use gRuby 3, it's installed. But if I download project that needs Ruby 4, mice automatically will tell me that, oh, you have another version, just install it. I install it, and it's already separated automatically. Okay, let's go. Just clone the repository. Okay, let's do it. I will open Ghosty here, and just git clone. Whoops. Okay. Oh, mice error. Oh, I will do mice trust like that. Okay, no more error. And next, just do bin setup. And, oh, no, wait, sorry. Here, bin setup. Look on it, I'm just copying. And preparing database. Seeding Philippines location. Seeds complete. Starting development servers. And hey, it was much faster before. Why it's so laggy now? Okay, it's just here. I don't know why it's works so slow right now, but it's here. My local host, and also let's do search. Everywhere there are some cards, users. It works out the box. Again, it's a new Git clone. Of course, I have dependency already installed. But what is it? Rails, Ruby. That's it. Because SQLite, even no need to install. It's automatically there. Again, no need to install and pre-configure your Postgres or Redis or Memcache. It's already here. And again, I have 10 users. Why I need Postgres there? Why I need Redis, Sidekick, something like that? Oh my gosh, 10 user? Really? Okay. Just, it works. Let's go back to our problem. I told him that, you know, I want to make it beautiful. When it's wrong, I just want to show problem here without reloading page. It seems like it might be difficult. Oh, really? Let's see how it works. Okay, I will close my server here, and also I want to open my actual source code for my carpooling app, because I want to fix it and just deploy automatically. I want to show you how it's easy when you are using the one-person framework philosophy. Okay, let's test that it really doesn't work how I want. Okay, just do something wrong here, 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 update password. Yeah, it doesn't feel like I want. Okay, let's open my code. I need to open RubyMine. I like it. And RubyMine, please open. Yeah, nice. Oh, I know why it's so laggy. I need to turn off low power. Now it will much faster. Okay. This is my project. Again, it's an open source. And one thing that I didn't show in my presentation, this is where I save my credits. Where I save this important thing for mail trap to send email, where I save password to connect to my, tester. It's over here, also it's built in. It calls Rails secrets. Here in Camel, I want to show you, I can show you my secrets for Camel. You know why? Because if you will read here, like for instance, AWS secret access key. I just use Rails credentials and fetch from my Rails credentials files. But where is the Rails credentials file? Over here, just it's encrypted. I'll push it to my repository. And everybody who want to become employee in the future, maybe, I just need to give the master key. And of course, it's really bad when you have hundreds of employees. Even if you have tens. Think about what I told you when I started. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just think about, do you have at least 2 persons that you can trust to give master key? Yeah, I think you have. And it's not something, but of course, again, 2 weeks ago, I became a commercial developer, and we have 1Password. And we use 1Password. I understand for what. But also understand why we have it. Okay, let's go. I need to increase, because it's already time. Just let's do this thing faster. Being dev, I just want to start my server. Okay, I start my server. I want to open it here. Okay, there. It's my local here, and just. Again, sorry, I need to memorize it. What are we doing here? My friends told me it seems like might be difficult to do SPA-like filling. Okay, let's do it. It's already time. I just open my application HTML RB here, and just here in application HTML ARB, okay? I just need to connect one thing. I will use Rails helper. Oh, not like that. Here, okay, turbo refresh with, okay, method, okay, method, morph, okay, comma, okay, I will do it like that, yeah, because for some people it can be hard to read, like that, okay, turbo with method morph, and also scroll, because I don't want that when it's updated, it's go up, okay, scroll, preserve. Preserve. I hope it's correct spelling, you know, like I hope. Let's see. I just need to open my website again. Here, it's there. Let's go to our user. Here, edit profile. Current password wrong. New password wrong. Confirm new password wrong. Update password. It's here. It works. What I did, turbo refresh with method morph scroll preserve. Really? How it works under the hood, I don't know yet. When something happens, I need to open documentation and figure out why it doesn't work. But when it's happened, I will be ready for it. Yes. Because right now, again, I opened Ruby 1 year ago. I started learning Rails maybe like 5 or 6 months ago, and just 2 weeks commercial. Like, I mean that I'm a freshman here, and like just keep going, okay? Just do steps by steps, and I want that my speech, my keynote, inspire something here inside. Because right now, what I feel, I'm a CS educator. I had students. What they feel, it's overcomplicated. Everybody told you that you should be really smart to start do something. No, you're not born smart. You become smart. You're not born the senior developer. You become senior developer. You're not born CS educator. I became the CS educator. Like, of course, I remember my CS lessons in my school. Sometimes it was really boring and I didn't understand anything, nothing. It's okay, just because I didn't born with these knowledges. And it's what I like in Rails, Ruby ecosystem itself. Simple should be simple, complex should be possible. Yes. And please, last thing, I fixed it. Yes, Ilya, it's for you. I fixed it, and it was, how did you say, it seems like it might be difficult? Yeah, buy with your Java and React. Okay, it's okay. He made really big project. No, his project is really huge. And they have a lot of layers, like blah, 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 blah. Like, he spent 1 month just to set up his environment. Yeah, I mean, that of course he has really big. It's not just, CD being set up. Okay, let's do this. How it works, it's there. Turbo 8 release. You can scan it and you can watch. Turbo 8 introduction, morphing for smooth page refreshes. Like, it's 2 years ago. They made it already built in Rails, but it disabled. What is turned on in Turbo 8? Prefetch, Turbo prefetch. It's when you move your pointer on the link, it's automatically send request to the server, and it make much faster loading this page. And also they introduced that morphing in Turbo 8, but it still doesn't work automatically. It just needs to turn on, but it's already there. Okay, next, demo of page refresh with morphing. Almost, thank you. Yeah, but wait. I told you that I want to push it to my actual database, to my website, okay? Just a few minutes more, okay? Let's do it again. I want to prove you that it doesn't work yet, still. This is Pasabaya app. Here, it there, just make it wrong. Here, update. It doesn't work. Okay, let's go. What I need to do first, you just need to commit. Okay, I understand. You can read it here. Yes, it should be. I will move it to, okay, view, move to bottom right. No, I wanna right top, here. Okay, let's see. I just clear it. First, I need to commit, okay? I use lazy git because I'm lazy, yeah? Okay, just, I will do, I don't know, add SPA like feel, oh, sorry, I'm really bad in spelling some words. I don't know how to say feeling. Could you help me? Feeling, no? F-E-E? F-E-E, feeling, like that. Okay, thank you. Okay, just do it. Okay, here we have a commit there, and just now I need to do camel deploy. Camel deploy. Okay, what happened there? Okay, it's trying to make image. Okay, it needs some password. Okay, here. Okay, let's see how long I need. It's expecting to here, exporting to image. Sorry, I know it's really down. I want to help you to read it easier, but yeah, it's a big screen here. Right now, it's exporting to image, and just when it will done, when I already have image here, again, it works here locally on my laptop. Right now, I have Docker, and this is right here, just on my computer. I didn't push it anywhere. Okay, enter here. I need the password. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. It's about enter passphrase for user SSH Oracle. If you will steal my SSH without password, you can use it. Yes, I prevent this problem. You can try to steal it, but it's encrypted. But please don't steal, because I don't want to make a new one. And now it's running Docker pull from my GitHub. Okay, it's sent image to my GitHub. And let's do just a few things more. Please, I can drink coffee, but I don't have coffee. I will drink water. Oh, it's done. Finish all in 113 minutes. Really? It's already there? Let's test. Let's refresh. Okay. Whoa, it's already work. Look, I mean that I deploy something, it's already here. Let's do it wrong, like that, like that, like that. Please work. It works. Yeah. Again, this is the one-person framework. It's something that can be so expired for newcomers like me, who just want to start learning something and do real stuff, special with AI, because I use AI in this project, but compared to other stack, I understand what AI did here. I can read it, I can edit it, and I can manage it. I can work with it, because it's not just an abracadabra. Okay, and thank you so much. If you are using another stack, it's okay. All stack there to do something specific stuff, but I just want to show you how Rails 8.1, its actual version now, can be so productive and so easy to start doing something with the one-person framework philosophy in your mind, and use just Rails way. If you don't fight with it, if you will just say, okay, I will try it, you see that it's so cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.